A compass is an instrument used for navigation, which provides the direction of the Earth's magnetic North Pole. It works based on the principle of magnetism, where the compass needle is a small magnet, free to rotate around the pivot point. The Earth itself acts as a giant magnet with its magnetic field lines pointing from the magnetic South Pole to the magnetic North Pole. The compass consists of a magnetized needle, which is attached to a card marked with directions. The card is placed in a fluid-filled housing, which reduces friction and allows the needle to rotate freely. The housing is usually mounted on a base, which is marked with degrees of a circle or a compass rose. The user can rotate the housing to align the card with the desired direction of travel. To use a compass, you need to hold it level and away from any metal objects or other sources of magnetism. The compass is then turned until the magnetic needle aligns with the north-south axis, at which point the cardinal points on the card can be read to determine the direction of travel.